You know better, so you should do better.
Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell.
Y'all, we really have to work on putting ourselves in situations that we know are no good for us, and we know how it's going to turn out. But yeah, we're the victim. How are we the victim? When we knew the situation we were putting ourselves in. Now let me make this very clear. I am not talking about anything that has to do with like domestic abuse or anything that's very serious and detrimental. I mean, like when you being stupid over somebody's kid, or like, you know that you probably really shouldn't help somebody out, like loaning them money because they've never paid you before, and you know they're not going to pay you back, and now you upset, but you knew they was no good for paying you. Like, we are so good for that. Like, we get upset, but sometimes you have to kick yourself like, yo, I knew better, so why didn't I do better? You know, at the end of the day, I always tell people only do what you allow them to do. So once you put up boundaries, people can't do that nonsense anymore, but you also have to take accountability for, you know, putting yourself in a situation that you know is no good for you. You can't be a victim when you already know. Like I said, I've been good for that. I've been good for, you know, placing myself in situations that I know was not ideal for me, and, you know, kept going back just because of feelings. But anyway, and then, you know, all of a sudden I wanted to play victim, even though, you know, I felt like I was wronged, but common sense told me not to go back. So am I really a victim if I knew not to go back to something that wasn't serving me? I knew better. So I can't sit here and play victim and boo-hoo cry. I mean, I could cry because my feelings was hurt. But what I ended up doing was stop being stupid. And I became smart. I was like, bitch, now, bye. Toughen up. Because my whole thing is, one thing I like to say is, if you're going to be stupid and strong. Be stupid, strong, and be in peace. Because my whole thing is, too, I'm not one to really judge people for anything. People are going to do what they want to do at the end of the day. But stop bringing people into your victimhood. Like, I'm sorry, like, when people keep complaining to me about the same old situation, the first time I'm gonna feel bad. The second time I'm gonna feel bad. The third time I don't care. Because you're coming to me as a victim when you knew better. When you knew not to put yourself in that situation. Because I'm sure people used to be sick and tired of me boo-hooing and crying. No, you knew better. So guys, word of advice. Stop playing victim to situations you put yourself in and start taking accountability and disengaging from things that don't serve you. Guys, if you like what you see, like what you hear, am I not correct? Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. You know what the crazy thing is? Some people will edit that out, but I'm keeping it. But guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. First of all, did I even say my thing? And don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. That was just all weird and scrambly. Listen, that's because a full moon was last week and a new moon is next week. I'm all into that. But guys, mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.